clutch install on a 74 FLH. Now, that arm down there is just like stupid. Way down in there, you can't even see the goddamn thing. But I figured out, you run that all the way in, and you can't get a hold of that cable to drop it in that little slot in there. Get a nice long screwdriver, put a zip tie on the end of it, reach in there to that cable, hook that cable on the inside of that zip tie so it won't slide off, and pick it right up, and very first try dropped it right in the slot. So that's I'm not taking the oil tank off, I'm not taking the battery box up, I'm not taking any of that shit off. But the old Electroglide 1974, it's got panhead tin on it. She's a beauty. It's never been beat in a show. It's got brand new fishtails that stick out. A little bit of Vicla thing going on there. Got the seat right from hell. Never been beat in a show. But she's got a new clutch cable. I just got to hook it up at the handlebars. But that's the trick. Nice long screwdriver, zip tie on the end, reach down in there, pick that cable up, and it won't slip off that zip tie, and drop it right in the slot. Done deal. I hope this helps somebody out, because you know, when you start taking battery boxes and you drain the oil tank and oh, no. We're not doing all that shit today. Alright. Ride hard. Die young. Alright, thank you.